What is up, YouTube? Back at you with yet another YouTube video. Today, guys, we'll actually be doing a POV in the Z06, talking a little bit about the car, talking a little bit about what I'm going to do to the vet. I know a lot of people are asking what I'm going to do to the vet, what, why I got the vet, what are the plans, what are the wheel horsepower plans and stuff like that. So this video is going to be all for that. So yeah, I'm actually going to put the GoPro on the head, and then that's when we're going to, we're going to be doing the video the whole time. I'm actually going to head to like downtown and stuff like that, maybe take a couple of pictures, a couple of videos for TikTok and Instagram and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, let's get in the car right now. Holy moly, it's fucking cold. So yeah, like I was saying, today, guys, we are actually going to be talking about all the things that I have planned for the car, the things that, I want to do to the car. I'm just going to go ahead and put gas here. But, yeah, like I was saying, I do want to do a lot of things to the car. I do want to make, like, the first things that I actually do want to do to the car, and maybe the first things that are actually going to get done to the car, are definitely, like, the carbon fiber stuff. Like, I do want to get a carbon fiber splitter, like the front splitter. I want to get the side skirts carbon fiber. I want to get the roof carbon fiber because these things come off, so I do want to get like the carbon fiber for that. What else? There's a little insert for the vents, like just pretty much carbon fiber the whole car, like the trim, make the car look super sick and like mean and stuff like that. That's really what I want to do. I do want to do like wheels, of course. I want to make like I said, I want to make the car look super dope before I make it fast, if that makes sense. I do plan on doing performance mods. Just as of now, I definitely don't want to touch the car right now performance wise. I want to touch on my bike, man. I want to make that bike super fast. So let me get out and put some gas real quick. I'm gonna keep the damn thing on me. Kind of hurt my hand at the gym like not too long ago, so that's why I have this on my hand. But let's put some 93 in this motherfucker. So yeah, like I said, this car is super clean. I love the color. As you can see in the light, you can definitely see the blue in it. These wheels are a bitch to clean, so I do want to get rid of these wheels. What else? Probably roll up a little joint real quick. So let me get back to you guys in a little bit. Towards downtown, probably just take a couple of pictures. And talk to you guys, of course, about the car, about everything I do want to do to the car. But before we do that, if y'all know me, man, y'all know I smoke a lot of backwoods, but man, we decided to put those down for a little bit, man, and we're hopping on the joints, we're hopping on the paper game. I'm trying to bring y'all a little bit into my life, bro. You know what I'm saying? Back then, I really wasn't posting a lot just because of the situation I was in. I had to make sure I wasn't bothering any families and stuff like that. But now, your boy is free to go, man. So, like, I can just upload what I want and not have a problem, not having to worry about stuff like that. I wish I could jam with you guys, but you know how YouTube works, man. We can't play no music or else the video will get unmonetized and stuff like that. But yeah, back to what I was saying. Definitely, this car will definitely be fast. Don't worry, guys. Like, the car is gonna be fast. I'm most definitely gonna fuck with the car, just not right now, not in the next, probably, I want to say, I think after 2K is when I'm gonna start fucking with the car, because right now my main focus is to get my bike ready for 2K. I do want to be out there with all the fast cars and stuff like that. I know for the bikes, a lot of the 2K events and stuff like that be in Dallas. So I don't know if I'll be here or I'll be in Dallas, but I will be taking part in all the racing and stuff like that. So that's first. My bike is first. I do want to make the bike fast. After I make the bike fast, that's when we're gonna hop on this. We're gonna start saving up some money, ordering parts for this car, because the build for this is not a I hear those brakes squeaking. I hate that. Oh, that's not mine, that's him. Thought that was me. I'm tripping. So back to what I was saying. So the build that I want to do with the car, I do want to make this car a dig car, mostly for the 8th mile. I'll do a little bit of quarter-mile racing, but this car, I do want to make it for the 8th mile. I want to take it to like all the big dig places that they do the dig racing and stuff like that. I want to take the dig racing serious, dig scene serious. No longer, I don't think I will be road racing this car, you know. I would definitely be road racing the bike. If I do end up wanting another car, maybe that will be the road race car. But this car, I'm gonna make it a dig car, you know. What we're gonna do, we're gonna throw on an F1X Pro Charger on this car, and we're gonna do it that way. We won't be doing this supercharger or the Maggie or stuff like that. Everybody's like, oh, do the Maggie. I don't want to do the Maggie. There's a couple cars out here that already have the Maxon setup. I just don't want to be another Maxon setup. So I do want to do the F1X. I want to do the F1X. I want to build the motor. I don't know if I'm going to stay stock motor, but I do want to have a motor that definitely holds the power that I want to go to. I want to make around like 1200 horsepower on the car, maybe with some juice, because honestly I think I am going to do nitrous as well. I just want to, you know, fill you guys in on what I'm actually going to be doing with the car, because I know a lot of you guys have been asking me, hey, when are you going to start fucking with the car, when are you going to, you know, pretty much start messing with the car. And I don't want to let y'all guys down, you know. Like, I'm not touching this car anytime soon, you know, like 5 to 6 months. This is when I probably will start to build on this car, you know. Right now I want to get the bike done. I want to make that bike super fast. After the bike, you know, I won't have any problem starting to build on this. For now, we'll be doing like the little carbon pieces. Like I said, I'll be making this car look super good before I make it, you know, before I make it fast. Pretty much, I honestly want to make this car look super clean. You know, the blue on it, it makes the car already look super dope. So I do want to throw like the carbon fiber accents on it. I think that would just make the car look even more dope, even more meaner, and like a more slicker look. I think the blue and the carbon would go amazing. Also, I do want to do the lowering on it. I know you can lower these on the stock bolts, so I do want to lower the car, like have it sitting flush on the wheels and stuff like that. I think I'm gonna keep the stock wheels. Yeah, I think I might keep the stock wheels and just get like a oh man, bro, see, and I didn't bring no mark, bro. This is just bad luck, bro. Like, I'm trying to tell you, literally just wiped down the whole car. It's all good, fuck it. So back to what I was saying, the drag pack, I do want to do like maybe some B-Lax, probably some B-Lax or some welds. I'm gonna do the 15 inches in the back, the 15-inch conversion in the back. So we are gonna be running 15s in the rear. In the fronts, we're probably gonna be running like 17s or 18s, not really sure. But I'm pretty sure we're gonna and I think the only thing that I'm gonna keep a secret for now is who the car's gonna go to, because I don't know, bro. Y'all guys, like, y'all just love to start shit, so I don't even want to like say anything, bring anything up about any shop until, you know, until the car's going to the shop, because man, oh man, I don't even want to hear anything. But yeah, I'm gonna build the whole like suspension. It's gonna be fully built suspension, fully built transmission, you know, like differential, drive shaft, all the good things, axles. You know, the car's I'm gonna make the car like what I want to build the car to just pretty much plant and go, you know what I'm saying, like off of the line. that's just really like my main goal on the car, is to go out there and win some races, you know, beat some fast cars and stuff like that. Maybe get into the 8s for the quarter mile. You know, you never know. It's just what I really want to do with the car. Of course, it's a lot of money, so you know, we gotta save up and stuff like that. But like I said, I'm gonna do the bike first. Y'all will be having a lot of bike content, but don't worry, man. You know, like, we are still gonna be having C7 content on the channel. Like, don't even worry about that. C7 content will always be here. You know, like, this car is beautiful. This car, I can take it to Cars and Coffee. We'll be at Cars and Coffee. Also, when I do add like the little carbon fiber pieces, y'all will be getting videos like that. Of course, I'm gonna be doing carbon fiber steering wheel. Like, you know, like the little carbon fiber accents, I'm gonna be doing all of that before, you know, we make it fast. So we will still be having content for the C7, just not like fast content, you know, like make the car fast and this and that. Maybe the only thing I would probably do for now is just like an axle back exhaust and maybe like some Corsas or something, or stuff like that. But other than that, this car's gonna stay pretty stock for a while. It's just gonna look very beast, bro. Like, it's gonna look clean, bro. Like, the view that I have with the car is just gonna look super dope. The tint already gave it that subtle look of like all like one dark color, so I'm happy, you know. Just now I just gotta do the other things and stuff like that. But yeah, that's really the plans for the C7, is to go pretty much fully dig car, you know, on that car. Pretty much make it one of the fastest C7 Z06s out there off of the line.
If it's beef about a freak, tell her bro I don't want no pressure. I give his how to me, she gotta sleep, then wake up cooking breakfast.
Get a hold of me, she wake up cooking breakfast. Huh? I don't think I'll get copyrighted for that one. Hopefully not. Shout out to my boy Guap, man. Alright guys, so I actually did get home. I got home pretty late yesterday. I tried to get a couple of videos. I did get a couple of videos at some like random parking lots and some random parking garages. So those videos will also be posted on Instagram, TikTok, and all of that. But yeah, guys, that's basically all that I wanted to talk about in this video about the Vet, of like all I wanted to do to the Vet and all I want to do to the Vet in the future. I have another video of why I chose the Z06 over the ZR1, and that one is coming very soon. I am getting with my boy Texas ZR1 on Instagram, and me and him are going to do the comparison of the ZR1 and the Z06 since he does have a ZR1. And other than that, we might have a couple of more videos coming to you guys, but for now, this is just all I have for you guys. So I would really want to thank you guys so much for watching. So please like, subscribe, and comment, and 7 Tarantino will catch you in the next video.